a quick overview of a drawing I did 51 years ago. It's dated May 1st, 1968. My childhood nickname, Kenny. It's number 14. This is for a class assignment in an art class I took my senior year in high school. This would have been the winter-spring semester term before graduating. I believe, not that I actually really remember, but I've come across this every now and then over the years. And I believe I drew this from a magazine. Regardless, I like it. And actually, I've always thought of it as a basketball player, but it could be perhaps some other sport. I don't know. I can't quite make out what this abstract structure is that he's standing within the lines of, and perhaps the helmet might offer a clue as to what sport he was engaging in, if not basketball, but perhaps, again, maybe it was basketball. And it looks like I see a number 4. I can't make out what that might be. It looks like a letter. Anyway, there you have it. Probably among the best works I have saved from 1967 and 68. Maybe I'll just call it Athlete, Arms Up.